Hey, what's happening, everyone? Indy Mann here. For those who visited my channel the first time, I'm a property developer, property investor, been in property for nearly 10 years now, and I have taught a lot of students now. I have learned a lot myself as well. So I'm investing in myself and I'm investing in my students as well. Uh, so today I want to talk to you about my day, another vlog. Okay, so I'm at my office first of all in the morning. I got a new start. We are in my estate agency. I've got a new partner starting today, so I'm gonna meet up with him now, and we're gonna go through all the requirements and everything as well, and then hopefully we'll be signing some contracts in a bit. So yeah, so I'm just gonna do my office work, and then afterwards I'm going to, let me sit down first. Okay, been up since what time did I wake up? Been up since 5:30 this morning. Actually I was awake at 5 as well, but just lying in bed thinking, get up, just full of energy today. Don't know why. It's one of those days. Some days I could be up at 3, half 3, and I'll be smashing it, and then it could be another day that some days I can do 15-16 hours non-stop, no problem at all, and then some days it's just like by the time it comes about 10-11 hours into the day, I'm kind of getting tired and we have brain fog, but it's just one of those things. I guess that's just entrepreneur's life, I suppose. Yeah, but I've been up really early today, full of energy, raring to go. After this meeting with the new partner agent, his name is just give me a second. Yeah, his name is Raj Kumar, so we'll address him as Raj. Yeah, new start, new addition to my estate agency side, where Mann's Estate Services will be pursuing our agency. We'll be taking it. We're putting the foot down and trying to expand the agency now. Development side of the Mann's company is going really well, which I'm very happy with. So I'll be taking you to my just sort my hood out. Just taking you to my projects later on, and but right now I'm just at my office, like I said. So keep following my day, and it's gonna get very interesting. It's a busy day for me, but it's gonna be a busy day for you as well, watching me. All right, so stay with me. Hey, what's happening, people? Gym's done. Just going to my going to get some building supplies first. Order some supplies for the builders. They were run out, just called me, they need some supplies, so I'm going to do that first. Then I'm going to my first project, and yeah, stay with me. The interview went well, and we got new partner estate agent on board, which is good news. I'm happy about that, and yeah, onwards and upwards. Stay tuned, I'll update you in a bit. Hey everyone, I'm back here at my property in Wolverhampton. They're doing the builders have nearly finished the render now, just the outside bit left. So let me show you what they've been doing and the update for today, a daily vlog of the properties. So the render has been completed, front, back and the side, just one side left. That wall is nearly completed as well. Should be all finished today, all the render. then the guttering is gonna start going up, and just general wear and tear repairs gotta be done. So the render looks really good now. It really lifts the house up. So perfect way to add value to your property is just render it. Sorry, I'm taking some photos as I'm filming as well. It looks absolutely perfect. So let me show you, take you around the back, show you that as well. So that's where we're at right now. Builders are on their break, so this side is done really nicely as well. That's the side of the house, and around the back all that's done. It's totally changed the total look of the building. I'm really happy with this job. We're on the nearly on completion now. Only thing was delayed us a little bit is the supply of the kitchen, because the kitchen's coming from Germany. They have delayed us a little bit. Apart from that, all our jobs are nearly completed. As you can see, we're just waiting for the kitchen to be fitted there, and that's it. We're nearly done. Plus we're just waiting for some bathroom supplies as well. So the supplies are